Good evening, everyone. This is Scott with PWWcards.com, Prestige Worldwide Sports and Cards. We're getting ready to do a two-box break of 2020 Panini Prizm Football Hobby. These are considered jumbo boxes, but I don't think they would do anything other than jumbo and choice. Anyway, jumbo. This is break number one, eBay break number one. It is Sunday, December the 6th. Here are our two boxes. Thanks to everybody for getting in the break. As always, if you would like shipping insurance, signature confirmation, or a magnetic case one-touch, you can get that at pwwcards.com. That's pwwcards.com. Good luck to everybody. Here we go. All kinds of Prizm goodness. Looking for some silvers, looking for some autos, snake skins, lamb skins, whatever we can find. We're gonna break. So let's just take this. Let's just do one pack at a time since we're only doing two boxes. We'll move through the base pretty quick and stop for our rookies and our hits. So here we go. Darnold, Collins, Henry, Amendola, Lee, Barber, Hunter, Donald, and then how about this? A little Matt Stafford Prizm Silver going out to the Lions. That's going to be Roberto P. Stafford, and then right behind that, a Cole Kmet Orange Prizm, rookie Prizm. That was numbered to 249. 249 on that one, going out to Chicago and Alex D. Alex, congrats. That's coming to you. CeeDee Lamb base, Anthony Gordon base, rookies. Singletary, Haskins, Johnson, Jones, Chubb, Smith, Zerline, Bridgewater. Then we got a Josh Allen Prizm Silver going out to the Bills. Buffalo is Jason N. Then a blue wave Dallas Goedert for the Philadelphia Eagles. That one's numbered to 199 going out to Philly. And Charles C. Charles, congrats. That one's coming to you. Gabriel Davis and Josh Uche are our rookies. Rivers, Lindsey, Goddard, Williams, Alexander, Howard, Thielen, Woods. Then we got a Saquon Barkley, go hard or go home insert. And then how about this little blue ice of Shaq Thompson for the Carolina Panthers. Carolina's Anthony C. And that one's numbered to 99. 99. Rookies Xavier McKinney and Joe Burrow. Joe Burrow base. Very nice. Going out to Cincinnati, Michael E. Marlon Humphrey, Josh Allen, Theismann, Bosa, Brown, Allen, Jones, Sherman, Taysom Hill, and then first auto is going to be a Christian Fulton digital camo going out to the Tennessee Titans and Mark P. Mark, congratulations on that one. Numbered 25. 25 for Christian Fulton digital camo auto. Congrats. Our rookies are Derek Brown and Isaiah Simmons. Next pack. Parker, Galladay, Vander Esch, Fant, Tavai, Pierre-Paul, Harris, Thompson. There's a DK Metcalf hype card. Just a regular insert. And then we got a red wave, Jared Cook for the Saints. That one's numbered 149. Kind of hard to see there, but that's going to the Patriots. Or Saints, not Patriots. Saints and Mark P. Mark, you have both teams, so it would have worked out either way. But Duvernay and DiNucci are our rookies in that pack. Next pack. Johnson, Teddy Bruschi, Wentz, Smith, Prescott, Landry, Bosworth. The Boz, nice. Jones, Cousins, and then there's our next auto. It is Henry Ruggs. Silver auto going out to the Vegas Raiders. Mark P. Very nice. on the Henry Ruggs Silver Auto. That's coming to you. Very nice. Congrats on that. Ross Blacklock and Clavon Chason are rookies. So we have back-to-back autos. We're back-to-back there. Hilton, Boykin, Strahan, Mahomes, Sweat, Cup, Fowler, Warner, Thomas. Look at this, an Amari Cooper, green and yellow. Very nice. That one is numbered to 175, and that's going out to Dallas and James C. James, congrats. That's coming your way. And our rookies are Cam Akers and Michael Pittman Jr. Hooper, Johnson, Jacobs, Trubisky, Lockett, Cook, Goff, Brooking. Then a Terry McLaurin Brilliance. It's an interesting card going out to Washington, Scott W. Brilliance insert. And then a Harrison Smith Orange going out to the Minnesota Vikings. Fabian, that's coming to you. That's number 249. Then we have Chase Claypool and Laviska Shenault are our base rookies. Campbell, Andrews, Taylor, Henry, Shepard, Bailey, Jizik, Cook, Adams. Oops. And then how about a Baker Mayfield purple going out to the Cleveland Browns? Cleveland is Marco G. Baker had himself a day. There you go. That's numbered to 125. Higgins and Gross Matos are our base rookies. Jack Eckler, Stafford, Smith, Fitzgerald, Barr, Ramsey, Samuel. There's a Chase Young emergent rookie insert. Then a Dak Prescott Red Wave. That one's numbered to 149. Going to Dallas again, James C. That's all yours. Eno Benjamin and Patrick Queen are our base rookies. Baker, Ballage, Gordon, Sanders, Duvernay, Tardif, Robinson, White, Rudolph, Higbee. All out Dak Prescott insert. Neville Gallimore, Isaiah Coulter are our rookie base. All right, last pack of box number 1 coming up. Let's see what we've got. TJ Watt, James, Tannehill, Barkley, Jarrett, Armstead, Kamara, Sanders, Fireworks, Juju Smith-Schuster, and then a Shaq Barrett blue wave there going out to Tampa Bay. Tampa is Tracy T, and that one is numbered to 199 on that Shaq Barrett blue. Colin Johnson and Zach Moss are our rookie base, and that does it for box number 1. Moving on to box number 2. Alright. Now last time our autos were all in the right stack. So let's start with the left and maybe we'll save some mystery for later in the box. McCourty, Peterson, Crosby, Fuller, Simmons, Griffin, Gronkowski, Driver. Then our silver is Jelani Tavai for the Detroit Lions. Detroit is Roberto P. That's coming to you. Congrats. Then they have an orange Devontae Adams for the Packers, and that is numbered to 249. Green Bay is going to be Kyle K. Kyle, that's coming to you. Our rookie base are Gabriel Davis and Josh Uche again. I'm guessing on his name there. Johnson, Graham, Carr, Miller, Williams, Gurley, Bosa, Breeze, Unstoppable Roquan Smith insert, and then a green scope Jalen Ramsey. Very cool looking card there. Going up to the Rams. Rams is going to be Matthew P. That's coming to you, and that one is numbered to 75. 75 on that Jalen Ramsey. Very cool green scope. Chase Claypool and Laviska Shenault are our base rookies. Ingram, Cole, Gates, Byard, Slayton, Watkins, Hawkinson, Smith, Murphy. Then we got a purple Ryan Fitzpatrick. Ryan Fitzmagic. Number to 125 for the Miami Dolphins. Ryan B. T. Higgins and Gross Matos are our rookie bases. The base rookies, I guess. Ocho Cinco, Chad Johnson, McLaurin, Farrell, Ingram, Ridley, Samuel, Burns, Wright. Another Brilliance. This is Drew Brees. That's pretty cool. Black and white Brilliance card. They're going to the Saints. And then we have a green and yellow Brian Burns for the Carolina Panthers. Carolina again is Anthony C. And that one's numbered to 175. Congrats on that. Eno Benjamin and Patrick Queen are our base rookies. Fitzpatrick again. I think they're brothers. Miller, Cox, Waller, Montgomery. There's a Tom Brady, Tampa Tom. Clark, Peterson, Lockdown, Taysom Hill. The insert, and then a Neville Gallimore and Isaiah Coulter base rookie. Minshew, Ingram, Smith, Tate, Ryan, Lattimore, Savage, Drake, Jonathan Taylor, Emergent insert, and then an Aaron Rodgers, Aaron, Blue Wave for the Green Bay Packers, and Kyle K. That one is numbered to 199. Colin Johnson and Zach Moss for the rookie base. It's crazy how some of those packs look similar when you get to the rookie base. Zoma, Hill, Haskins, Johnson, Jones, Garoppolo, Short, and then a Kyle Duggar, rookie silver, going out to the Patriots. That's Mark P. Mark, congrats. It's coming your way. Then a Jalen Johnson for the Chicago Bears, orange. And that's Alex D. Alex, congrats. That's coming to you. That's number to 249. 249 on that one. And then our rookie base, CeeDee Lamb and Anthony Gordon. So doubling up on those. You got two oranges, Alex. Norman, Chubb, Johnson, Jacobs, Wagner, Evans, Amos, Jones, George Kittle, Fireworks. And then what do we have here? A little purple X-Fractor is N'Keal Harry for the New England Patriots. Mark P, that's coming to you. And that is numbered to 49. 49 on that N'Keal Harry. Xavier McKinney and another Joe Burrow rookie base. I think you're right. Smith-Schuster, Gilmore, Trubisky, Taylor, Henry, Shepard, Metcalf, Jordan, Lazard, and then our next auto is a Kyle Duggar red auto for the Patriots. Patriots are just kind of going off. And that's going to be Mark P. Mark, congratulations. That's numbered to 149. Derek Brown and Isaiah Simmons. They're yelling for the Chicago Bears. They're excited about the Chicago Bears. Tunsil, Bailey, Eckler, Stafford, Murray, Culpepper, Kittle, Thomas. There's a hype Baker Mayfield. And then a Mike Evans Blue Ice. That's going to the one. That's numbered to 99, going out to Tampa Bay and Tracy T. Yeah, they're just as excited as you are about those Bears hits, Alex. Duvernay and DiNucci. Marquise Brown, Shark, Smith, Gordon, Sanders, Duvernay, Tardif. That sounds like a Star Wars name, but Carson, Godwin, Smith, and then, whoa, how about this? Jalen Hurts, silver rookie auto, going out to the Philadelphia Eagles, Charles C. Charles, congrats on that silver Prizm rookie auto of Jalen Hurts. Then we got Ross Blacklock and Clavon Chason. Yeah, Hurts. You ever had a Hurts donut? Dunlap, Williams, Robinson, James, Tannehill, Moore, Rice, Davis, Jones, a Khalil Mack, another hit for the Bears. Red Wave, Khalil Mack. That one's numbered to 149. Again, Alex. Got a kid reporter, Cam Akers and Michael Pittman Jr. That does it for the break, guys. Thanks to everybody for getting the break. We'll get those sorted and sent out. Appreciate you getting the break. We look forward to breaking the game with you soon. Hope you have a good night and a great week. Stay safe. Peace.